factory of 456. So 456, it can be written as 2 times 228. 2 times 228 mean 456. 228, it can be written as 2 times 114. 2 times 114 mean 228. 114, it can be written as 2 times 57. 2 times 57 mean 114. Now 57, it can be written 3 times 19. 3 times 19 mean 57. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 3 and this 19. So we can write 456 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2, this 2, this 2, this 3 and at last this 19. So this much for today and thanks for watching.